There is a place on Earth where mountains look like they were painted by a giant artist using every color of the rainbow. But this masterpiece has no painter, no brush, and no paint, only the incredible power of nature. Deep in northwestern China lies one of the most breathtaking landscapes on Earth, a place so surreal that many visitors believe they are looking at a giant painting rather than real mountains. These are China's Rainbow Mountains, a geological masterpiece that has fascinated scientists, photographers, and travelers from around the world. But here's the surprising part. These incredible colors are not just beautiful, they tell a story that began hundreds of millions of years before humans even existed. Today, we're diving into the incredible mystery, science, history, and fascinating facts behind China's Rainbow Mountains. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why these colorful peaks are much stranger than you think. The Rainbow Mountains are located inside the Zhangye Danxia National Geological Park in Gansu Province, northwestern China. Covering more than 500 square kilometers, this spectacular landscape attracts millions of visitors every year. The area became internationally famous after being recognized as part of China's UNESCO World Heritage-listed Danxia landforms. From above, the mountains appear covered with flowing bands of red, orange, yellow, white, blue, green, and even purple, creating an almost impossible-looking landscape. Unlike colorful hills created by flowers or vegetation, these mountains are made entirely of solid rock. Their vibrant appearance exists every day of the year, making them one of the most unique geological wonders on Earth. At first glance, many people believe the colors were caused by volcanic eruptions or unusual minerals deposited recently. But the truth is even more extraordinary. Around 250 to 300 million years ago, this entire region was covered by rivers, lakes, and deserts. Over millions of years, thick layers of sandstone, mudstone, silt, and various minerals accumulated one on top of another. Every geological period added another colorful chapter to the landscape. Eventually, tectonic forces caused by the collision of the Indian plate with the Eurasian plate pushed these ancient layers upward, folding and twisting them into dramatic mountain ranges. The same geological collision that helped create the Himalayas also played a crucial role in shaping these incredible rainbow mountains. The stunning colors come from different minerals trapped inside each rock layer. Iron oxide creates brilliant reds, oranges, and yellows. Chlorite contributes green shades. Copper minerals add hints of blue, while manganese produces darker purple and brown tones. White stripes often contain quartz-rich sandstone or calcium deposits. Unlike paint applied to a surface, these colors exist throughout the rock itself. Rain, wind, freezing temperatures, and erosion gradually remove the outer layers, constantly revealing fresh, colorful rock beneath. This means the Rainbow Mountains are not fading away. They are continuously reshaping themselves through the slow power of nature. What makes these mountains even more fascinating is how dramatically they change throughout the day. During sunrise, the red layers glow like burning embers. At noon, the colors become bright and sharply defined under direct sunlight. During sunset, golden light transforms the mountains into a glowing masterpiece of orange, crimson, and deep purple. Even weather plays a major role. After rainfall, the moisture intensifies the colors, making the stripes appear richer and more vibrant than ever. Photographers often wait for the perfect combination of sunlight and clouds because the mountains can look completely different within just a few minutes. People often compare China's Rainbow Mountains with famous colorful landscapes around the world. Peru's Rainbow Mountain, known as Vinicunca, also displays spectacular colorful stripes. However, Peru's colors mainly result from mineral-rich sediments exposed at high altitude after glaciers melted. In contrast, China's Rainbow Mountains formed through hundreds of millions of years of layered sedimentary rock combined with tectonic uplift and erosion. Another comparison is Arizona's Painted Desert in the United States, which contains colorful rock formations created by ancient volcanic ash and sediment. Yet experts believe the Zhangye Danxia landscape is one of the largest, most colorful, and visually dramatic examples of layered geological formations anywhere on Earth. Despite their natural beauty, many myths surround the Rainbow Mountains. Some local legends describe them as the resting place of dragons, whose colorful scales became part of the mountains after thousands of years. Others believe ancient celestial beings painted the landscape as a gift to humanity. While these stories are part of local culture, geology offers an equally incredible explanation. Nature, given enough time, can produce landscapes more astonishing than any legend. The Rainbow Mountains are a reminder that Earth itself is capable of creating masterpieces without any human artist. Scientists continue studying these formations because they preserve an extraordinary geological record of Earth's past. Every colored layer represents a different environmental condition, revealing clues about ancient climates, river systems, deserts, and shifting continents. By examining these rocks, researchers can better understand how Earth's surface evolved over hundreds of millions of years. In many ways, the Rainbow Mountains function like a giant history book, with every stripe representing another chapter written by time itself. Interestingly, despite their appearance, visitors are not allowed to climb freely across the colorful hills. Strict conservation rules protect the fragile formations from erosion caused by human footsteps. Elevated boardwalks and viewing platforms have been carefully constructed, allowing tourists to admire the landscape without damaging it. This balance between tourism and conservation has helped preserve the mountains for future generations while allowing millions of people to witness one of nature's greatest works of art. The Rainbow Mountains also provide an excellent example of why geological time is so difficult for humans to imagine. Civilizations rise and fall within thousands of years, but these colorful layers required hundreds of millions of years to form. Every grain of sand, every mineral deposit, every tectonic movement, and every drop of rain contributed to the masterpiece we see today. It's a reminder that some of Earth's greatest wonders cannot be rushed. They require patience, measured not in centuries, but in geological ages. As satellite technology has improved, scientists have discovered that the colorful patterns extend far beyond the famous tourist viewpoints. Underground, these layered rock formations continue for great distances, revealing that what visitors see is only a small part of a much larger geological system. Even today, natural erosion continues to expose new patterns and reshape existing ones. In other words, the Rainbow Mountains are still evolving before our eyes, although the changes happen so slowly that only scientists comparing decades of satellite imagery can detect them. So, are China's Rainbow Mountains simply beautiful scenery? Not at all. They are living evidence of Earth's incredible history, created through unimaginable spans of time by rivers, deserts, tectonic collisions, minerals, and erosion working together with extraordinary precision. Every colorful stripe represents millions of years of geological change, making these mountains far more than a tourist attraction. They are one of the greatest natural archives on our planet. The next time you see a photograph of these unbelievable landscapes, remember that you're not just looking at colorful rocks, you're looking at hundreds of millions of years of Earth's history, painted across the mountainside by nature itself. And perhaps that's what makes China's Rainbow Mountains stranger and far more incredible than anyone could ever imagine. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy discovering one of Earth's most extraordinary geological wonders, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more fascinating documentaries about the mysteries of our planet and beyond.